Hi everybody, this is Red Sonja. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be opening a package from eBay. I picked up some scales for my Victorinox. It needs to be replaced. I got it used. It has someone else's name on it. It's supposed to have the scales, and I think the tweezers and toothpick are supposed to be with it. So let's take a look. And they have it sealed very well. They have it sealed and then taped and then stapled. And then taped. And let's see what this thing's got here. Maybe. And the note says, "Thank you for your business." It's actually personalized, has my name on it, which is a nice touch. I hope you are happy with your scales. We have already left positive feedback for you, etc. If you have a problem, please contact me. And they give their email address. Very nice. Very nice touch. All right. It comes in a nice little bag. That is, of course, taped. Okay. All right. Toothpick is stuck in there. Okay. Very nice. Very nice. And it comes with the tweezers and toothpick. And I don't know if you can see it, it has a spot for the pin. And then these are made with, they didn't cut it out, but there's like a little extra groove for like smile tweezers or something small. And I'm toying with the idea of cutting that piece out. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. And then, of course, this side. Very nice. Okay. So this is what the new ones look like. And that's going to be replacing that. And if you watch my next video, I will be showing my attempt at replacing these. I think I'm going to do it. Thank you very much for watching my video today. Hope you have a great rest of the day. Please like and subscribe and share with others. Have a great one.